Ooh, yeah. We can come together. Oh, yeah. Robbing and shooting and looting, my brethren, could never be right. No, no, no. And all that careless news carrying, my sister, is unaccepted in the Father's sight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you want a happy life, you must live upright. Endeavor day by day to shine your light. This world is yours and mine. Get this in your mind. Let's wake up and live for mankind. Things could never be right until we unite. We never have to quarrel, never have to forget. Things could never be right until we unite. We never have to quarrel, never have to fight. No. So many people are suffering and dying all over the world. Yeah. Mothers and fathers are crying and praying for all the boys and girls. Yeah. There is so much war and strife and racial genocide. When will mankind ever live upright? Things could never be right until we unite. We never have to quarrel, never have to forget. Things could never be right until we unite. We don't have to quarrel, we don't have to fight. Oh, yes. Mankind, oh, well, when we love again, yeah. Loving and looking and shooting.
No more war, no more war. Aye, and here I go some. When the youth them done the war, them a push it further. Oh no, you don't know who they are and them you never heard of. But tonight, no fuss, no fight. Let's get together and all unite. Oh God, Jenny love we are deal with forever. So Jenny love ya me brother, yeah, forever and ever. Jenny love ya me sister, yeah, forever and ever. Oh no, and go some when me say love me mean that from me heart. God alone, and he will not stop chant. No youth are dead, we hungry and want. While the rich up and the innocent some from France. The greatest thing we have love in your heart. Make sure you're the Almighty God now go part. People do your things and make you have wicked thoughts, but from it wickedness we just can't. No, no. So the youth them done the war, them a pushed it further. Oh God, so you don't know who they are and them they never heard of. But tonight, no fuss, no fight. Let's get together and all unite. Hey, Jenny love me a deal with forever. So Jenny love ya me brother, yeah, forever and ever. Jenny love ya me sister, yeah, forever and ever. Oh no, and go so well. No give me no gun, no give me no knife, come in no murderer. I tell you we love you, I deal with forever, yeah. We are one, so make we leave us one brother, yeah. And make love spread far and wider. All man is equal, only Jah is the superior. Stand for my brothers and nobody get me, yeah. War and violence, we really don't need, yeah. Make we sing and chant together. For the youth them done the war, them a push it further, further. We don't know who they are and them we never heard of. But tonight, no fuss nor fight. Let's get together and all unite. Oh my, Jenny love me a deal with forever. So Jenny love ya me brother, yeah, forever and ever. Jenny love ya me sister, yeah, forever and ever. Oh no, and go so when me say love me stop chat. No youth that dead, the hungry hours. The rich up on the hill don't stop come from cross. The greatest thing we have love in your heart. Make sure you're the Almighty God now go part. People do your things that make you a wicked thoughts. But from it wickedness we just can't. Oh no. To the youth that done the war, them a push it further. Oh God, we don't know who they are, and them they never heard of. But tonight, no one died. Oh, no gonna make them die. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon send them down die. And now gunshots start echo. No gonna make them die. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon send them down die. And now gunshots start echo. Cause when Babylon come there, and a fling bomb down there, the youth them run away and gone the wrong way. Babylon them not just stop with them 100 shooter, coulda muta baruka. They don't think man the future, influence with them under. They on them corner when they smoke marijuana, gunshots sing like Yama. Don't think them no afraid, they don't have no behavior. Babylon send soldier, fi shoot a boy, gonna make them die. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon send them down die. And now gunshot a echo, no gonna make them die. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon send them down die. And now gunshot a echo. Babylon a turn this place in a bloody city. No time for waste and them not show no pity. Babylon deal with them case, make them body look pretty. Pull up them face a cap a shot like Icky. If a rat race, hero not go join any. But tune to your ears, you not have to pay a penny. Too much life waste, many. Me I tell the road why them say me any no gonna make them die. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon say them down die. And now gunshot a echo, no gonna make them die. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon say them down die. And now gunshot a echo. When the Babylon come, then you have to run. If you no run, then you get shot down. Them tell me say them have the whole city locked down. Them no afraid of nothing and them not back down. Say that how we got it, but of them got gun. AK-matic and them have shotgun. Some long machine sitting on no one pack gun. When them rock up above the whole city shut down, no gonna make them die. Down in the ghetto, a Babylon send them down die.
It was a lonely night, a night like this, when I lay down on my bed. When I thought about the God I serve and all I'm going through, as the memories rushed down through my mind, it brought tears down to my pillows. Saying to myself, I must rise and go and testify. 'Cause man was made to serve Jah, and together we live forever. Man was made to serve Jah, and together we live forever. Upon this earth on which I trod to teach the word of God, my Bible is my only shield and the music is my rod. I pray mankind would hear my voice and listen when I call, but all they do is carry on like they don't care at all. When man was made to serve Jah, and together live forever. Man was made to serve Jah, and together we'll live forever. like this when I lay down on my bed. When I thought about the God I serve and all I'm going through. As the memories rush down through my mind, it brought tears down to my pillows. I said to myself that I must rise and go and speak your word. 'Cause I know that man was made to serve God, and together would live forever. Man was made to serve God, and together we'll live forever. Yeah. Pray that you can live to see tomorrow. Man was made to serve God, and together we'll live forever. Man was made to serve God, and together we'll live forever.
For Rastafari, I rise the sign saying, "Most smoking." Yeah, man, come here, show them, say them man, come see, 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 man. And I see Babylon put up a sign saying, "No smoking." For Rastafari, I rise the sign saying, "Most smoking." Yeah, man, come here, show them, say them man, come see it, and them live with it. And Babylon, they go drop flesh, leave it still a flourish up on the earth. You know, you know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dang, dang. Hey, hey, officer, take these handcuffs off of me. I can't take it anymore. Wow. Why you acting like you've never seen a good draw of my jungle before? But now you're telling I you're nice. If you follow you go down a station. Me little style and me juggling. I mean not in a drug smuggling. My herbs is all I've got. So tell me what you're looking at. Squaddy, don't you know? Is it because I'm black? Tell me what you're looking at. Squaddy, don't you know? What make you no so jumpy copy? What make you call your friend for walkie-talkie? And with your little matic you not stop post. And I say you win up constabulary force. I see them coming in their jeeps around the corner. I ain't gonna run now. I ain't gonna run. My herbs is all I've got. So tell me what you're looking at. Squaddy, don't you know? Is it because I'm black? Tell me what you're looking at. Squaddy, don't you know? I ain't got no bombs, nor guns, nor weapons of destruction. So let go me on. Bobby Rock, let go me on. I ain't got no poisonous gas to suffocate the nation. Bobby Rock, so let go me on. Let go me on. Bang. My herbs is all I've got. So tell me what you're looking at. Squaddy, don't you know? Is it because I'm black? Tell me what you're looking at. Squaddy, don't you know? Hey, officer, take these handcuffs off of me. I can't take it anymore.
And your life is gone and can't come back. It make mama cry. In me heart me feel it. Boy, believe it. Boy, we no need it. Boy, can't you see Jah every day. Read me Bible and me pray. Talking to Jah along the way. In me heart me feel it. Whoa, believe it. Whoa, when I need it. Whoa, can't you see it? Hey, so me happy wonder how the love gone. Pray for the little baby we just born. Please me I beg you no fi keep it calm. Oh, Miss a shatter and Miss a gun tam. Time for we love one another some more. It no really matter if you're rich or you're poor. Listen to me song and no try ignore. Put down the Glock and the 404. When the gun them bust and the blood start run and the youths them die. And your life it gone and can't come back. It make mama cry. In my heart me feel it. Boy, believe it. Boy, when I need it. Boy, can't you see it? Hey, as a ras man I flex more one away. Give thanks to Jah every day. Read me Bible and me pray. Talking to Jah along the way. In my heart me feel it. Boy, believe it. Boy, when I need it. Boy, can't you see it? Hey, I want to ask one simple question. What is really in your intention? Couple more things I have to mention. Now is the time to release the tension. Ready fi go start some demonstration. Wonder what happened to the black population. Look like them lose the unification. Diplomat ready fi go heal the nation. When the gun them bust and the blood start run and the youths them die. And your life it gone and can't come back. It make mama cry. In my heart me feel it. Boy, believe it. Boy, when I need it. Boy, can't you see it? Hey, only we alone can make the war done. Let's come together now, a time for have fun. When politicians are issue them gun. Don't afraid to tell them say you know one none. Goodwill always conquer evil. Love and respect for my people. Crawl like snail or fly like eagle. Wicked people must get them beaten. When the gun them bust and the blood start run and the youths them die. And your life it gone and can't come back. It make mama cry. In my heart me feel it. Boy, believe it. Boy, when I need it. Boy, can't you see it? Hey, as a ras man I flex more.
Tell me what the war for. Tell me what the war for. I want if I feel prove who bad. Man and man a war and can a children and a man. Who I can feed the kids them a yard. So tell me what the war for. Tell me what the war for. I want if I feel prove who bad. Man and man a war and can a children and a man. Who I can feed the kids them a yard. I hear a voice crying out. Said I can't take it no more. Murder, murder. Them just kill mama big boy. Why so much worrying on the base? Big disgrace to the human race. Love is the answer for everything. Peace, love and joy, and that you must bring. Tell me what the war for. Tell me what the war for. I wonder if I prove who bad. Man and man a war and gonna jail and gonna mad. Who I can feed the kids them a yard. So tell me what the war for. Tell me what the war for. I wonder if I prove who bad. Man and man a war and gonna jail and gonna mad. Who I can feed the kids them a yard. Daddy never lived to see his baby born. True crime and violence him dead and gone. That's how the pressure suck up on mom. Got to be a mother, got to be a father. Plenty of life has been taken away just because of ignorance. So seize it, nobody squeeze it. Blood out of here, nobody leak it. So tell me what the war for. Tell me what the war for. I wonder if I prove who bad. Man and man a war and gonna chill and gonna mad. Who I
the man come out. Teflon representing to the fullest. My blessing, Richie. I've been waiting for this day to come. My blessing, I know I shall overcome. I'm like the trees by the waters where run. 4 seasons, through the air I blossom. I praise the King who falls, the rain shine the sun. Do evil, then you must go down. Good people, we stand up on solid ground. They take my weakness for granted, that's wrong. My blessing coming my way. No need to rush it, I say, I pray. My blessing coming my way. No need to rush it, I say, just pray. More time I feel just like a walk just through the wind. When me see the stress and everything I keep it. We have to fight the fight, we know we have to win. Yo, me have to protect all my fitness savings. Life ain't no better roads. See them with vanity and them friend of ours. And real estate, you know one 10 of those. Check the money you spend and close, mama ain't even send a road. My blessing coming my way. No need to rush it, I say, I pray. My blessing coming my way. No need to rush it, I say, just pray. Hey man, I work very hard, so me I forget it. And when me hold it, yeah, I with me all me I protect it. And remember foundation in life, you have to set it. Now make the wicked man them hold it and take it. But remember say, I do good, cause love life. Live up good, live up right. We sustain through no fight. Hey, my blessing coming my way. No need to rush it, I say, just pray. My blessing coming my way. No need to rush it, I say, just pray. Yeah, me nah rush me thing, me affair. Yo, me say, me nah rush me thing, me just wait. Trust in the most that is great. Burn the hypocrites, the fire. One and wash the other. Look out for each other. The things you do, the things you say, sometimes will hurt another. It's coming my way. Who just bless no man can curse. Give thanks to life continually. I don't know the sufferation people them out there, no? Must rise above it. Head above water.
Blood suckers, Babylon I try hold me down for more than 400 years, but I overcome and conquered all of these. Them I try hold me down for more than 400 years, but I overcome and conquered the wears and tears. So long we've been working in them system, and still they don't care one damn how we're living. Cause for basic necessities we've got to fight, and in the midst of adversities we struggle to survive. Babylon I try hold me down for more than 400 years, but I overcome and conquered all of fears. Them I try hold me down for more than 400 years, but I overcome and conquered all of fears. They thought that they could wipe us out, and they carried us to enslave us, east, west, north and south, giving us bad food to eat, and having no decent place for us to sleep. But by the powers of the Most Most High, who guides and keep His children, keep on moving through the valleys deep. Still Babylon I try hold me down for more than 400 years, but I overcome and conquered all my fears. Babylon I hold me down for more than 400 years, but I overcome and conquered the weeds and tears. Hey, them old vampires, old bloodsuckers, sucking the blood of the poor and the needy. Babylon, old vampires, old bloodsuckers, they've been sucking out the blood of the poor, dragging out the veins of the poor and needy. So wicked man I try hold me down for more than 400 years, but I overcome and conquered all their fears. Babylon I hold me down for more than 400 years, but I overcome and conquered all the fears. Babylon I hold me down, them I hold me down for too long, too long, too long now. We must rebel against this wicked system. They've been holding us back for far too long. Wicked man I try hold me.
Nobody broke stick, and I should be in your ears again. Nobody broke stick, and I should be in your ears again. Oh, what a mighty black prophet from Sentence Bay. He's the founder and the leader of the UNIA. Teach from town, go to country. England, France and Germany. They charge him for fraud in the USA because he told black people to sail away. No history, this is I black story. I want you to talk black Marcus. Yeah, I walk and tell them. Talk up Marcus, look how long you dey walk and attack. Talk black Marcus, yeah, I walk and tell them. Talk black Marcus, look how long you dey walk and attack. All the stones you throw at him, the lies you told on him. No, you never got Marcus weary. The government punished his name. Some Christians did the same. Still I love him sincerely. I want you to talk black Marcus. Yeah, I walk and tell them. Talk up Marcus. Look how long you dey walk and attack. Talk black Marcus. Yeah, I walk and tell them. Talk up Marcus, look how long you dey walk and attack. From sentence B. Hey Marcus Garvey. Sentence B. To fulfill the prophecy. Sentence B. Hey Marcus Garvey, no history. This is I black story. I want you to talk black Marcus. Yeah, I walk and tell them. Talk up Marcus, look how long you dey walk and attack. Talk up Marcus. Yeah, I walk and tell them. Talk black Marcus, look how long you dey walk and attack. Nobody broke stick, and I should be in your ears again. Nobody broke stick, and I should be in your ears again. Don't do that, my friend. Nobody broke stick, and I should be in your ears again.
Life is filled with ups and downs, twists and turns, you know. Keep it together. But if your body's sticking, it burns. Yeah. The earth is made up of good and evil. I know I'm good. I never been misled by the wicked people. I figure to slay. By any means, by any means, my enemies must cease to exist. By any means, by any means, my enemies, them a go fall in at the pit. By any means, by any means, my enemies, them a go make a exit. By any means, by any means, them not go box me in my face and me turn the other cheek. Me a no long to slaughter with me things me roll deep. Me say love but if I war then brains I go beat. This me king, prepare for dead, food I go eat. All my freedom fighters, warriors in the street. When I ready to kick the Gideon, come back with it. When I want a traitor in the army, no boy where you leak to FBI, CIA, the flipping fix the police. Alright, here's the plan of all the Babylon's belief. The whole of them a liar than the bug of them a thief, yow. Their desire is to sink us down deep. We plant righteousness and have victory we are to reap. By any means, by any means, by any means. Okay, by any means, by any means, by any means. Yes, it's the way. By any means, by any means, by any means, by any means, by any means. Pagan burn them away. We sleep in a pit full of piss and manure. Fi erase Babylon, pagan skull fi bore. Kick off them door, waving the 4-4. Just tell me if you focus more. But on the fire, the boy them up beyond the right. This king Selassie me chop you up like a samurai. And a lie, Dumbarus, wave the banner right. Don't you know we belong in Mount Sinai? By any means, by any means, my enemies, my enemies, by any means, by any means, burn them away. Oh, by any means, by any means, my enemies, they must go make an exit. By any means, by any means, by any means.
Not just rhymes, it's life, living. Free Willy production. No, 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 no. Oh, oh, oh. No, 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 yeah. Only to love keep us alive. Listen. In the morning when I rise, praise Jah is by my side. Where peace and love abides, Jah love I can't deny. I'm on my bending knees, I'm begging Jah, oh please, heal the world and let it be. It's only Jah love. Only Jah love. Yeah. It's only Jah love. Jah love can keep us strong. Down in a Babylon. Just back where with you are. No matter who you are. Why can't you show some love? Like blessings from above. The earth is for the meek. It's our love we all should seek. If you wanna live in peace, it's only Jah love. Only Jah love. Yeah. It's only Jah love. Jah love can keep us strong. Down in a Babylon. Jah love, yeah. 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 Oh na 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 na. Yeah. Boy, we where you gonna run out at the Gideon Star? When all the money that they rob from ghetto youths ain't enough to fly you to Mars. When the system you defend start break down like a Lego. When the whole world becomes a ghetto, that's when you realize the whole of we are ghetto people. So tell me some boss is slave, don't forget the people. Ghetto people, call them all. Remember Haile Selassie never left the people. No time at all, not even an inch. Oh no. Hey, give me a phone, a demaka idol, no grabber. Make me cool and start up on every them proper. Every you tap shut up at the zigzagger. Make me show you what a clock a strike in a jam rack. Politician them a chat a tongue sharp like maca. Them no vision, them a scammer. We are wave the banner. What kind of honor? Uno not treat the youths with honor. Let me show no a vibes. Not true you're living uptown. When the banks fall down, then the whole of we a get a youths. And me poor, you rich, but when the poor shift, then the whole of we a get a youth. And me black, you white, but when famine strike, then the whole of we a get a youth. On that day when you trade your Rolls Royce for a grain of rice, that's when you realize that the whole of we a get up people. Get up people. So tell me stop about this slave, don't forget the people. Get up people. Get up people. Get up. Remember Haile Selassie never left the people. The people. Oh no. Oh yeah. Warning to all the future leader them. Don't treat the youth like a different creature them. Seek a friend before you need a friend. Those children in the streets how we teach them. Future soldiers and politicians, but I bet you cannot see it. Make me adjust your folly vision. Your eyes blurred by the guns and ammunition. So make me show no a vibe. When the night turn day, White House turn grey, then the whole of we a get a youths. And me walk, you drive, but when there's no oil, then the whole of we a get a youths. And when you can't tell Ligani different from Tivoli, then you see say we a get a youths. When you can't tell Everdale from downtown Parade, then you realize say the whole of we a get up people. Good Lord have mercy. Get up people. Oh no. Yeah. Get up people. Remember how
inna your face, them a smile up. Behind your back, money, them a pile up. Try to start your business and them quick for spoil up. Hey, well done, Mr. Politician Man. You done a wonderful job at tear down with country demolition, man. Sibbly bang, well done, Mr. Politician Man. You done such a great job selling out with country with your business plan. Well, you forget a round of applause for all the work you're doing. Decisions where you make will left the country in a ruins, yo. Strictly personal gain you're pursuing, so the tax rate higher than the planes where you're fluing. We gonna make you deal with the IMF, knowing on a box side, none of sugar cane left. The hotels and the beaches, the Spanish them go screeching. Me no know how you do it, but all me have to say is well done, Mr. Politician Man. I must congratulate you. Done a wonderful job at tear down with country demolition, man. Skibbly bang, well done, Mr. Politician Man. You done such a great job selling out with country with your business plan. What kind of plan? Which is to keep poverty and unemployment on the rise. Corruption and not to mention the lies. Election and when the tension arise, so you buy with Kentucky, not to mention the fries. Anything to secure your vote, and then you rob the people to secure your vote. We go Thailand where the Chinese own. The whole Jamaica is a Chinese loan. I tell you well done, Mr. Politician Man. How are you treating me so? You done a wonderful job at tear down with country demolition, man. Sibbly bang, well done, Miss Politician Lady. You done such a great job selling out the country and you still not pay with. But still if inflation was a test you would have get A+. So when me met the US the exchange rate buck, cause the dollar getting weaker and the solar light bill it would have cheaper. But a JPS you prefer keep your Ebenezer. So you Scrooge from the ghetto people where you starve and every year you buy a better vehicle. The things you do are beat with bad but still you manage to keep your job. So me I tell you well done, well done, Mr. Politician man. You done a wonderful job at tear down the country demolition man. Swibbly bang, well done, Miss Politician lady. You done such a great job selling out the country. Come in like Humpty Dumpty now. Congratulate them, you know. Yeah man, give thanks to the effort, you know. Yeah man, enough things in our guard, you know.
Injustice are where them really need overall. The way them deal with mankind, all my gal start bad. Justice are where the youths them need overall. The way them deal with mankind. Hey yo, and then she not go cry for no guy in a no 3-piece suit. No pretty boy in a no Chris Nike boot. She no fall for no dapper, she no cry for no dupe. She shed those lonely tears for the little ghetto youths. They're balling starry, ex-news and cleaner. Food might be dirty but his heart is much cleaner than those politicians fighting down sense demeanor. And get up every day, them want to run this arena. Extra, read all about it. Get a youth in need and there is no doubt about it. If baby want feed and can't do without it, Big 45 going to scout it. Oh no, the youths them balling out. You the get a youths them balling out. Hey, the youths them calling out. You the get a youths them balling out. Well, justice are where the youths them need overall. The way them deal with mankind, all my gal start ball. Justice are where the youths them need overall. The way them deal with mankind. Listen, no I'm on this Jack and Jill went up the hill to sell some marijuana. We got the bed, they broke Jack Crown and Jill came tumbling after. Think about beef, shit out a sheep to thief in a the pasture. And if one try to that again, it's going to bring disaster. Kings and kings of the lords of lords everlasting never last. Inspired I and I to be a microphone blaster. Men I go bow down to no slave master. And the youth and person ask the questions them now justice are where the youths them need overall. The way them deal with mankind, all woman start bad. Justice are where the youths them need overall. The way them deal with mankind. And she not go cry for no guy in a no 3-piece suit. No pretty boy in a no Chris Nike boot. She no fall for no dapper, she no cry for no dupe. She shed those lonely tears for the little ghetto youths. They're bowling starry, ex-news and cleaner. Food might be dirty but his heart is much cleaner than those politicians fighting down sense demeanor. And get up every day, them want to run this arena. Now extra, read all about it. Get a youths in need and there is no doubt about it. If baby want feed and can't do without it, the Big 45 going to scout it. Oh no.
Did you know the pen is stronger than the knife? And they can kill you once, but they can't kill you twice. Did you know destruction of the flesh is not the ending to life? Fear not of the Antichrist. Did you know that I exist before the earth? And did you know my eyes are windows to the world? Did you know you can't go as Zion and now wear cherry curls? Can't tell the boys from the girls. Your body's just a vehicle, transporting your soul. It's what's inside of people, this beauty to behold. Fear not of evil. Every day them flesh it grows. Changes of the times take a toll.
And it was written up in the book of life that a man shall endure forevermore. And it was written up in the book of life that a man shall endure forevermore.
The one and the fear is in the eyes of the beholder. And love is in the presence of the love maker. Life is in the words of the comforter. Endure much longer, live much longer. Fear is in the eyes of the beholder. And love is in the presence of the love maker. Life is in the words of the comforter. Endure much longer, live much longer. Careful how you entertain stranger. Selassie never born in a manger. And never crucified as no savior. He let God himself and not the ruler.
A fest around his chest and Rastafari is his name. A gift of everlasting life for us to all sustain. Blessing that you all begot, blessing that you all forgot. Rasta call a shit you not. Do you remember Elijah? And the chariot of flames, steam blood that run through my veins.
The one and name fear is in the eyes of the beholder. And love is in the presence of the love maker. Life is in the words of the comforter. Endure much longer, live much longer. Fear is in the eyes of the beholder. And love is in the presence of the love maker. Life is in the words of the comforter. Endure much longer, live much longer. Careful how you entertain stranger. Selassie never born in a manger. And he never crucified as no savior. He let God himself him as the ruler. Babylon a malfunction where them a failure. So be careful of them cellular and pager. Cause as I see them, I see danger. So them great but Selassie I great. Say yo,
that a man shall endure forevermore. And it was written.
No grudgeful, no bad mind, no grudgeful. Anthony B say me cup full up now. Alright, never gonna hope your man and go aisle up. Bun bad mind and tell them say them time up. Big up me black brother where you climb up. Me nah go sit aside and swallow no aisle nut. Keep the faith, keep on holding on. Me never gonna hope your man go bam. Just to get a thing in a palm. I got yo. Keep the faith, keep on holding on. We never gonna hope your man go bam. Nah, do me brother no harm. Hey yo, bun the 666, me bun 69, 9 to 5. Me a juggle out there, ya look mine. Cho, day to day, shut up and borderline. Me a fi boom, give thanks to King Selassie the divine. Cho, make it never dwell up in a no crime. Must see sick, you must see blind, must see. Hey, judge that time. Yo, seek and you shall find. Me yes a man of a next man and a please. Keep the faith, keep on holding on. Me never gonna hope your man go bam. Forget my money in a weapon inside my palm. Oh, keep the faith, keep on holding on. We never gonna hope your man go bam. Nah, no me brother no harm. Wait, hey. Oh, the youth, him a shine so shine. Oh, the youth, him a climb so climb, a climb. Oh, the youth, him a guan so guan. Oh, the youth, him a galang so galang, 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 galang. Sin. Man, God bless. God bless me do my work and Jaja do the rest. Me Jaja will the canvas. Truth manifest. Truth manifest. Me never bow, me never dwell up in a them filthiness. Baba, keep the faith, keep on holding on. Me never gonna hope your man go bam. Just to get it in a me. Forget that thing in my palm. You must mad me no survive. Keep the faith, keep on holding on. We never gonna hope your man go bam. Nah, do me brother no harm. Alright, me never gonna hold your man and go aisle up. But bad mind and grudgeful go no time up. Pick up the youth them come me love, see them a climb up. Me nah go grudgeful and swallow no aisle no. Keep the faith, keep on holding on. Me never gonna hold your man go back. Nah put them in a me palm. Just put them in a me palm. Hey yo, keep the faith. Keep on holding on, we never gonna hold your man go back. Nah, don't me brother no harm. Corner, me bun the 666, me bun 69, 95, me got work. Him broke, she broke, me broke, he broke. Every man out the road and look up. Him broke, she broke, he broke, me broke. Rain and fall, but not it tough. See, hardy, hardy. Food on table, hardy, hardy. No one TV or me feel by cable, hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table, hardy, hardy. We make it enough man no able. See, don't go look a walk a Matalan. Still I believe me couldn't work for a grand. Say it better if me wash up the car. See me pan the street a sell star. End up a plow we down a Savlamar. Police catch lock me behind bar. Get beat up, chop up and scare. True, I'm just trying to reach far. Oh, hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. No one TV or me feel by cable. Hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. We make it no time and no able. See it? Man I run a taxi a office stop. Police and no red plate no depend that. Me can't find money fi pay government tax. So me run go build up on the roadside shop. Whoa, them send bulldozer licky down flat. Said no lies to Rasta don't got. And them hear me have the most gonna lock. And a me a sell weed for on a back. Whoa, hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy.
I want to do them. Hey Lord, Jah Gideon soldiers marching and for war, for equal rights and justice. We'll fight it like never before. Rise your Rasta banner, His Majesty is before. Who guides and protect? Don't you ever forget. Jah never let us down. The love of Jah protect us. The powers of Jah surround us. Wherever we are, Jah is and all is well. Thank the Father for His glory. Jah love protect us. The powers of Jah surround us. Wherever we are, Jah is and all is well. Yeah. Take on the battle to the heathen, cause Rastafari bless. You're not wrong, my brethren. Put vampires to the test. Build up a white collar prison. That's poor people request. Jah guide and protect. Don't you ever forget. He never let us down. The love of Jah protect us. The powers of Jah surround us. Wherever we are, Jah is and all is well. Thank the Father for His glory. Jah love protect us. The powers of Jah surround us. Wherever we are, Jah is and all is well. Yeah. The same blood where you run through all my vein. Run through the cops and soldier man the same. We want the politician them fin now. That equal rights and justice have to flow. Cause what you reap is what you really sow. And tell the Rasta youths them not to bow. Whether you happy or you a shout. Cause unity is strength that you feel now. The love of Jah protect us. The powers of Jah surround us. Wherever we are, Jah is and all is well. Thank the Father for His mercy. Jah love protect us. The powers of Jah.
Get a youth stand firm, stand firm, stand firm, stand firm. Get a youth to rise up, stand firm in yourself, and never give up, never give up. Rise up, stand firm in yourself. And King Selassie, I will be your help. Just rise up, stand firm in yourself, and never give up, never give up. Rise up, stand firm, stand firm, stand firm. I won't get a youth to rise up and know where you want in a life, and know the type of roads where people push on in a life. Stay focused and go on in a life, and teach your younger kids them to grow on in a life with a clean meditation and a pure heart, and never go astray. Keep it firm in your thoughts. So the Babylon will legalize corruption, them not smart. Get a youth and don't afraid for out, cause we rising to the top, ya son. No turning back, ya son. Hypocrite can't stop, ya son. No watch your soap opera, ya son. Babylon you flop, ya son. You flipping it up, ya son. Come bigger listen, stop the pop, someone drop, ya son. So get a youth, rise up, stand firm in yourself, and never give up, never give up. Rise up, stand firm in yourself, and King Selassie, I will be your help. Just rise up, stand firm in yourself, and never give up, never give up. Rise up, stand firm, stand firm, stand firm. I oh no, give up, try and no prove who you bad and no show off to them. Like the Timberland you got on Selassie, I set the trend and all pattern. And give you blessing of it, never rush, and when them think we get weak, we only get stronger. The ital make we live more longer. Them a smoke up one to the high grade ganja. Get a youth over something, not stay under. Watch Babylon and wonder, not ponder. Now them make them spread them propaganda. Bigger heads, big youth them sponsor. Hey Mr. Big Man, even now me not get no answer. So get a youth, rise up, stand firm in yourself, and never give up, never give up. Rise up, stand firm in yourself, and King Selassie, I will be your help. Just rise up, stand firm in yourself, and never give up, never give up. Rise up, stand firm.
Rise up, my people. This is not time to invest in a war. Rise up, my people. If you not love well, you won't reach far. Rise up, my people. Put your brother in front of money, house and car. Rise up, my people. Alice Selassie won the earth and the moon and the stars. I see my brothers falling to the ground out there. Don't want to see my sisters acting like clown out there. Coming on like how them youth ya a program run. All in a them head that does destruction. That's why me try my best to teach them in a me song. Nothing no wrong with the earth, or just the people gone wrong. So beat the kettle drum, me say beat it now, ya man. The man we part the sea with the rod in him hand. The man we give life to each and every one. The youth them standing and singing son. Rise up, my people. This is no time to invest in a war. Rise up, my people. If you not love well, you won't reach far. Rise up, my people. Put your brother in front of money, house and car. Rise up, my people. Alice Selassie won the earth and the moon and the stars. Cause he who knows nothing act like he knows he's a fool. That's why he been so cruel. And he who knows and act like he don't, he's wise. Loving he'll give and he'll compromise. The first man to smile and the last to criticize. The man will always come with a positive vibes. I meditate love and not build strife. My people, it's time to realize. Rise up, my people. This is not time to invest in a war. Rise up, my people. If you not love well, you won't reach far. Rise up, my people. Put your brother in front.
I wonder how you send your little youth go to school when every day you're there on corner a shop and cutting tool. See me every hour, every time when me pass. I for wonder if your eyes them a magnifying glass. See me that make you look on me glass. Them dark me I for wonder if you aspire you a work for your boss. And every day you tell me let off a thing me I for wonder if you cripple or you want something. Man off for me, man off for me, man off for me. Don't take your mind off for me, take your eye off for me. High off for me, high off for me, don't take your eye off for me, don't take your mind off for me, mind off for me, mind off for me, don't take your eye off for me, high off for me, high off for me, high off for me, don't take your eye. Just say by
by the sweat of your brow, that's how you eat your bread. But I wonder them a plan, and I wonder them a meds. Give your basket for carry water from the well. See you with Michelle and then they run gang go tell. And I pay mix up in all them family. Can't find food for the melody. Man a rooks off them woman. Come on for the corner, go find something for the man. Mine off for me, mine off for me. I off for me, let's take you, I off for me. Take you, mine off for me, mine off for me. I off for me, let's take you, I off for me. Take you, mine off for me, mine off for me. I off for me, let's take you, mine off for me. Take you, mine off for me, I off for me. Mine off for me, let's take you, mine off for me. And she say, you say, he say, everybody say. You say you hear, so what he say? What do you say? Go tell your man, go and go make fashion. Find a woman, show her some passion. Babylon, I deal with Russian. Listen to style and listen to pattern. Take your eye off for me, eye off for me, eye off for me, mine off for me, mine off for me, eye off for me, eye off for me. Go take your mind off for me, go take your eye off for me, eye off for me, eye off for me, eye off for me, mine off for me, mine off for me, mine off for me. Go take your mind off for me. I wonder how you send your little youth go to school when every day you're there on corner a shop and cutting tool. See me every hour, every time when me pass. I for wonder if your eyes them a magnifying glass. See me now make you look on me glass. Them dark me I for wonder if you aspire you a work for your boss. And every day you tell me let off a thing. Me I for wonder if you cripple or you want something. Man off for me, man off for me, man off for me. Don't take your eye off for me, take your eye off for me. Eye off for me, eye off for me. Don't take your eye off for me, don't take your mind off for me, mind off for me, mind off for me. Don't take your eye off for me, eye off for me, eye off for me, eye off for me. Don't take your eye. Just say by the sweat of your brow, that's how you eat your bread. But I wonder them a plan, and I wonder them a meds. Give your basket for carry water from the well. See you with Michelle and then they run gang go tell. And I pay mix up in all them family. Can't find food for the melody. Man a rooks off them woman. Come on for the corner, go find something for the man. Mine off for me, mine off for me. I off for me, let's take your eye off for me. Take your mine off for me, mine off for me. I off for me. Righteous youth man out there, and we ain't giving up no way. There's a old barrage of righteous youth man in town, and we ain't going down. No, we never gonna stop, no way. But if you think that His Majesty is sleeping, then you better think twice. He would have never make them babble and mash down Zionites when there's a whole barrage of righteous human out there. And we ain't giving up, no way. There's a whole barrage of righteous human in town. And we ain't going down, no, we never gonna stray, no, yeah.
Wondering why I chose the way I live. Check it out. Let me live my life. This is the way I wanna live. I just keep life real. Give all I can give. 'Cause when things get wrong, I'll never give up. Why? The most I know when my basket is empty, when He pours His blessing, that's so plenty. I'm not from the system, it's not healthy. The rich man segregate from the poor 'cause he's wealthy. I'd rather be poor than live a life that's filthy. I'm treading the rocky road, though it's rocky. Let me live my life. This is the way I wanna live. I just keep life real. Give all I can give. Let me live my life. This is the way I wanna live. I just keep life real. Give all I can give. Fire Mason just told you, hey, I just love my living. Communication with Mama Earth and keep giving. From the heart, way up within. It was love and joy from life begin. It better to be conscious than to be thinking. Mama style one digging. Hey, let me live my life. This is the way I wanna live. I just keep life real. Give all I can give. 'Cause when things get wrong, I'll never give up. Why? The most I know when my basket is empty, when He pours His blessing, that's so plenty. I'm not from the system, it's not healthy. The rich man segregate from the poor 'cause he's wealthy. I'd rather be poor than live a life that's filthy. I'm treading the rocky road, though it's rocky. Let me live my life. This is the way I wanna live. I just keep life real. Give all I can give. Let me live my life. This is the way I wanna live. I just keep life real.
Blessing be unto you. When I look at the icons and all the for all the mentors, all the icons, Bob Marley, Peter Touch, Jacob Miller, Chronixx, just to name a few. You know, blessing be unto you. When I look at the icons and all they accomplish, it motivates me so. They're ups and they're down, whether from they've been around, they're always on the go. The music is so great, oh yes, it turned my life around. They took me from a little boy and placed my feet on solid ground, and now I'm stronger than before.
I am stronger than
before. I'm stronger, yes, I'm sure. And they just can't stop me now. And I will never allow the youth around me to bow. Righteous land man a plow. When I take a look in Africa and see the separation, it motivates me so. Even on the streets without no food to eat, without parents, the children grow. And you think you're the worst, yeah? The real get to you, them put on a show. Full up of hunger and thirst, yeah? Forget supplies, nobody knows.
Nobody
life, even though the pagans they all try to put us below. Hey. Freedom is beyond those mountains. The secret of life is in that fountain. That's right. I'm stronger than before. I am stronger than before. I'm stronger, yes, I'm sure. Nothing just can't stop me now. And we'll never allow the youth around me to bow.
I can't take it no more, no. How do you feel when your baby is gone? How can you sleep with no one to keep you warm? You toss and turn, you cry all night. Such a feeling, it gives an awful fright. I made a mistake when I grieved her heart. She couldn't stand it, she decided to part. I've got to find her and apologize. I want no other, she's just my size. Oh, yes. Oh God, loneliness taking over me, yes. I gotta find her, oh yes, and make her mine. How do you feel when your baby is gone? How can you sleep with no one to keep you warm? You toss and turn, you cry all night. Such a feeling, it gives an awful fright. I made a mistake when I grieved her heart. She couldn't stand it, she decided to part. I've got to find her and apologize. I want no other, she's just my size. Oh, I said she's just my size. She took me back the ride.
How could life be like this, when everyone should be giving thanks and praises? Oh Lord, see the farmer man love when the rain fall every day, cause him crops are grow. The sporter man love when the sunshine every day, cause him style a show. Downtown no love when rain a fall, uptown flood out. 8 million them spend on Hope Road, and the flooding no wind gale. The wicked man love when him gun was loud and clear, and him shots can't done. And the policeman love when him have a extra gun, when a innocent get shot down. Downtown no love when shot a bus, rude boys and police. Cool out the rage of violence and just keep the peace, cause when man are rage could never be as terrible like when Jah are rage. Refrain from your crooked ways. Them sit in night chair and watch the island sail out. Then Ghana World Bank on them knees and look bail out. Oh yes. Only private sectors get the benefit of poor people's doubt. They all see and know that the system is worse than hand to mouth. And downtown no love when rain a fall, uptown flood out. At 34 them spend on 3 mile, and the traffic lock up same way. Oh Lord, how could life be like this, when everyone should be living for each other? Oh Lord, hey. uptown, no love when rain a fall. Uptown flood out. 8 million them spent on Oak Road, and the flooding now end, boy. Illiteracy makes the people search for only food for their belly, and never making decisions on what ministers do.
Life has its way of turning the gray skies blue. Oh, yeah. But sometimes the skies come tumbling down on you. But of this one thing I'm sure, Judge, I never give I more than what I can bear. Sometimes the road get dark and it feels like no one cares. Friends and family, they are gone, but I will overcome, cause I am a champion, my brother. I'm a champion, my friend. Mama, dry your tears and move your hand from your head. Never wear a phone because Jaja not dead. Trust in every word where Selassie says. Leaning on Marcus Velassie fakers. Sometimes the skies come tumbling down on you, but of this one thing I'm sure, Jaja never give I more than what I can bear. Sometimes the road get dark and it feels like no one cares. Friends and family, they are gone, but I will overcome, cause I am a champion, my brother. I am a champion, my friend. So all when you're hungry and edge I teeth, I stand up on me own 2 feet. Me nah make no trouble, come and get rid of me. I fight it like a champion, Muhammad Ali. But that no mean I'm a go do no folly. Rasta man and a Satan little puppet dolly. Push on pon the straight and narrow like a chally. Her goodness and mercy I follow back on me. Jaja never give I more than what I can give I. Sometimes the road get dark, friends and family, they are gone, but I will overcome. I am a champion, champion, my friend. Jaja never give I. To all my people out there, round the faith. Now listen what the pagans say. What old Satan say, all the vibe. So even when the road get rocky, me say me never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going get tough, I said the tough get going. And my people don't give up. I said there ain't no giving in. No, Rastafari guide I and I from the beginning. Oh boy. A lot of youths in life say them can't take the pressure no more. But from your trust in the most high life, I go get better, I'm sure. The youth juggle on the roadside, Babylon say fi take up your bag and go. Boy, but we still not give up. Me say we solid as a rock like a Lange. Not give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going get tough, I said the tough gets going. One juggle your fruits, don't give up. I said there ain't no giving in, mama. Rastafari guide I and I from the beginning. Why oh why oh? Teacher not get paid, the government need for purge and process. Oh yeah. Police not get paid, so them find it hard for serve and protect. And all we get from the government is highlight bills and robust taxes. And them still a pressure the youth to run it hard on the road with them robot taxes. But there ain't no giving in. Go on your taxi, you. Hey, I said the tough gets going. Ba 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 yeah. Nah give up. I said there ain't no giving in. No. Rastafari guide I and I. Whoa whoa. I said my people.
On them economical solutions. Sure. We no want no capitalists. I suss them out with I'm and chalice. And And we no want no big business plan. We no want no promise from the UN. Hear me now. Just take a look how the world is. Is a handful of man run the world business. For 2,000 years them a plan this. It's so deep them not care if me sang it. Them deep with science and I use it against we people. Say we men figure through this. But poverty is no accident. Them mashing up the world with them roads and cement. We no want no capitalists. I assess them out with I'm and chalice. When they on ya. And we no want no big business plan. Never know. And no more promise from the UN. Once again, yo, them no sister that them killing us rapid. Billing up crap with them stimulus package. Pharmaceutical greening up happy through the supermarket when they fill up with acid. Them said them can't afford to plant it when we competing with the overseas market. Me say fi, that's where the IMF contract and free up the youths, make them try and get punch up. Cause we no want no capitalists. I assess them out with I'm and chalice. No, 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 no. We no want no big business plan. Telling you, yeah, and no more promise from the UN. Hey, hey, hey. When everything gets so commercial, the progression of evolution take a reversal. We used to be spiritual people now. Fit the money, some do literal evil things. Man, a lot of people things. Some stealing rings and chains, hoping that things will change. But it will all remain the same if that Babylon still a reign. Rasta no want no capitalists. No, no, no. I assess them out with I'm and chalice. Yeah, yeah. And we no want no big business plan. And we no want no promise from the UN. Never, no, no, no. Kabaka Pyramid, Chimney Records.